Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we just come out to do another immobiliser on a 74 plate Porsche Cayenne with the new gear change. So how the system works, obviously someone was to grab this key here, jump in and try and drive it away. This is what happens. Let's just start the vehicle. As soon as I try and put it into gear, watch carefully, it just keeps on reverting back into park, okay? So watch carefully, keep on trying to put it into gear, and it reverts back into park. Okay, so every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, just insert his code. So he's going to go tap, 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 tap. So tap, 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 tap. There's our indicator flash. Put it into gear and drive away. Okay, really simple and straightforward to use. When he turns the start button off and opens the door, watch carefully, system automatically arms. So every time the customer starts the vehicle, really simple, straightforward. Start the vehicle, foot on the brake, start it. Insert his code, and instantly it disarms and he can select a gear. If he's taking it for a service and he wants to put it in value mode, this is also very simple. And the way he does that, start button on. Let's just turn the start button off, open and close the door. Start button on, vehicle can't be running. Insert his code, and on the last press, hold. I don't know if I let go then, I might have let go, but let's just keep on holding for about 20 seconds. And if you watch, we'll get a 5 flash handshake, and it would go into valet mode. Really simple and straightforward. There you go. It's now in valet mode. So when I turn off the start button, open and close the door, you can see it doesn't arm. Just start the vehicle up and just place it straight into gear. Okay, put it into gear and drive away. Okay, when he gets the vehicle back, he does exactly the same. Just main ignition on, vehicle can't be running, insert his code and hold on the last press. Just keep holding, 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 holding. And shortly it'll come out if you watch carefully. There you go, it's now come out of valet mode. As soon as I open the door, system is now armed again. So if I try and start it, let's try and start it. Vehicle starts, put it into gear, and it just keep on swinging back into park. There you go, just keeps on swinging back into park. Okay, so let's just insert the code and drive away. Okay, really simple and straightforward to use. As I said, my name's Otto. This is the HALO Mini on the very latest Porsche Cayenne. Notice we're having no error codes when we're testing, like some previous immobilisers we used to fit. Obviously, we keep on changing just to try and improve all the time. Give us a call, 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.